Getaway driver in Mandeville bank robbery charged with some serious offenses. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 25-year-old Debrell Watson, otherwise called Stinger, of Hamilton Street, Western Park, Clarendon, was charged with 2 counts of possession of a prohibited weapon, possession of a prohibited weapon with intent to traffic ammunition, trafficking a prohibited weapon, dealing with a prohibited weapon, and 2 counts of fraudulent use of a license plate following an operation in the Four Parts Main Road in Clarendon on Saturday, August 26. Reports from the Maypen police are that at around 1:30 a.m., a black Toyota Wish motor car bearing 2 different license plates was intercepted along the Four Parts Main Road in Clarendon. The vehicle is believed to have been involved in a bank robbery that occurred in Mandeville. A search of the vehicle was conducted and a magazine containing 25 9mm rounds along with 2 7.62 round, one 5.56 M16 spent casing, and one 9mm magazine were seized during the operation. Watson was arrested and taken into custody where he gave a caution statement in seeking to account for his action. He was charged on Monday, September 4th. He is set to appear in the Maypen Parish Court on Thursday, September the 7th. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.